like your car paint is looking dull? Is the water sitting flat on the panels? Or even worse, maybe you have bumps all over your car paint? Well, in this video I will show you 3 easy steps to make your car paint feel smooth just like a baby and clean as it will ever be. So let's get into it.
I have cleaned my car about 2 weeks ago. As you can see, there's bird poo here. The wheels and tires are dirty. The lower panels, as you can see on the lower panels, are really nasty. Okay, so let's start. I always start first with the tires when they're dry. So we'll apply the all clean. Pre-diluted at 15:1. So it's not pouring brown, but it's never doing that on my tires. They're clean regularly. So now the tire is clean. Let's put some all clean caliper in the wheel. So in this bucket I have a microfiber madness, right? I have the Easy Detail barrel brush and I have the bigger one for the wheel well. I'll just go over it real quick. So I like to start with the wash mitt. Those wheels are in pain. Really intricate wheels to clean. So I have some incredible suds in the bucket. Let's put some all clean on the wheel well. I just want to avoid having dirt sitting in the fender here. So I'll make sure that I brush this and I do a good rinse afterwards. So what I usually do is take my wash mitt a second time and go at the ledge of the fender. Okay guys, the quick beads, the spray and rinse. Supposed to wait 30 seconds before rinsing. Works super nice.
Right now, if you need any car detailing supplies, I'll have the link in the description for you. And thank you for supporting small channel just like this one, all right? Thank you guys.
Okay guys, so I've cleaned the 4 wheels. So this is more like a sample size, right? You want to buy this in gallon and dilute it yourself. That way you can get 15 gallon or 16 gallon at 1:15 for really cheap, right? So when you use it for the wheels, for the tires and the wheel well, you're gonna blow through that. And I don't want to be cheaping out when I apply this. So like I said, buy it in a gallon. If you want to just try it, buy the 16 ounce. Then you have the label in the sprayer and then you just reload with your dilution while using a gallon size. Okay, so let's do the pre-wash with incredible suds. 1 ounce in the bottle. The bottle is full of water. Okay, so maybe we use half of the bottle, maybe slightly more than half. I gotta say, really nice foam. Really nice foam coming out of the cannon with just 1 ounce of product, right? 1 ounce of your soap. So a 16-ounce bottle, you get 16 wash. That includes your pre-wash as well, because whatever is left in there is going to be used for the contact wash. The smell is excellent. It's not too in your face. It's just done right. There's not too much sun this morning. It's pretty cloudy in here. So I like to rinse my door jamb. And then we have clean tools for the next time, so we don't reintroduce all that grit and creating more scratches.
My friends, if you like this kind of video, please do me a favor, click on the like button right now, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more cool content just like this one, all right? Let's get back into the video.
When your car sounds like this, from where I'm from, we call this a bazoo, right? You're a bazoo driver. People from Quebec will know what I'm talking about. Okay, incredible suds for the contact wash. So the sun just came out, so we'll wash this inside and rinse outside afterwards. All right guys, so this is gonna be our wash bucket. I'm gonna fill this at maybe halfway. So the soap is on the car. Okay, now to the wash mitt parts. Some of you guys are gonna call me crazy, but this is about being crazy detailing. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. Contact wash with incredible suds. Super slick. I'm not putting pressure. Really nice, guys. On par with the best stuff that I usually use, like Carb Pro Reset. 1 mitt per panel, and I'll flip my mitt as I move to a panel to the other. So that's 1 and 2. So we've got 2 panels per mitt, right? And the glass I don't count because we're not gonna scratch the glass with a microfiber. So this is a bit of a crazy process, but I don't have to do the 2 bucket. This is a good insurance to avoid scratches. So those mitts, the fuzzy mitts, they are from carzilla.ca. They're about 12 bucks each. Well, I love this soap, guys. It's a great soap. Super smooth. But it's really hard to tell the difference if one mitt cleans better than the other. So now I've been around the car. I'm left with the left side. We got 2 more mitts. We'll use the nicer one for the top sections. So I know a common mistake when it comes to cleaning your car is missing spots. Some people don't pay attention too much to that, but I don't want to overthink the door jamb. But this needs to be clean, right? There's nothing better than fresh and shiny door jambs. Okay guys, so I just realized my paint is super bumpy, super contaminated at the bottom. It's really bad. So I'll do a quick decontamination clay, iron remover from DIY. We'll do a quick iron remover and the clay mitt. God damn, this is so contaminated. So that comes with the performance brakes territory, right? And I'm sure there's some tar bits in there as well. So no pressure, just a quick pass. So I'm spraying just a couple spritz on the paint because I have only water at the moment on it. Okay guys, so we don't have much of a water behavior anymore. So the panel are flat, they're just sheeting after the iron remover. Okay, so the decontamination towel by DIY and their iron remover, this combo is excellent. And at the same time, I have not noticed yet any marring on my car and on a couple different cars. As you can see, I've been through quite a bit of it already. So this is like a secret in right now in the detailing industry. All right guys, so now to the water spot remover, just a final step. So as you can see, the water behavior was not great on the lower panels, pretty much dead, but the top surfaces still look good from whatever product that we had. We're gonna shake this good. We're gonna spray all over the surface. We're gonna take a wet microfiber and agitate this. Some dwell time and some mechanic action. Okay, so I have a wet, high quality towel that I soaked in some leftover rinseless. You don't flip your towel, you go over all of the surfaces. Just going over quick. And then we're gonna rinse that off and inspect again where we're at. Guys, check this out. So the water was not beating really much, even after the iron remover. Now that we did the water spot remover, check this out. So it looks like I just applied a new coating. Incredible, really impressive. So we had almost nothing left after the iron remover. Now the water spot remover, look at the beating. Look at the beads on the doors. There was nothing left there before. That's insane.
Okay guys, shout out to the water spot remover, mineral deposit remover by DIY Detail. One of my favorite products of the year. Super excellent at removing whatever deposit you have on the paint, making the paint beading and sheeting water again. If you have a ceramic coating and it's super flat, I highly recommend that you try it first before starting from scratch. This product, I've already been through the whole bottle. So I think I've done 4 applications, so four different cars with the 16 ounce. I ask a DIY, they're gonna come out with a gallon size, but this product is where it's where it's at for bringing back coatings or simply prepping your paint for a new protection step. So shout out to the water spot remover by DIY Details.
All right, so I'm covered in sweat. We did the iron remover and the water spot remover in less than 30 minutes. So quickly over everything. Paint is super smooth. Paint is beading water from God knows what. So this is the drying towel, the twisted loop from Carzilla in the detailed popo section, or the detailed popo brand. I have it for a couple years now. And I use it exclusively on this car. And I have only good things to say about it. So this car is going to need a polish here really soon.
Okay, so after this whole process, your paint is gonna be super smooth, feels really slick, and now you're gonna be ready to apply and accept a new paint protection of your choice. It can be a sealant, a 1-year ceramic coating that you can apply over anything, any previous protection product, or even better, you can go through the polishing steps. So for this car, on the next video, we're gonna have a touch-up paint episode. We're gonna sand our touch-up and polish the whole hood. So I think I'm gonna have a really great content for you guys. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting me. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.